Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into a topic that affects us all: self-doubt and fear. Whether it's fear of failure, fear of judgment, or fear of the unknown, it can hold us back from achieving our goals and manifesting our true potential. But don't worry, because today we are going to explore some practical tips and tricks to help you overcome these fears and transfer your mindset for success. So grab a notebook and a pen and let's get started. As you know, fear is a part of human nature. It is something that we all experience, but it can also be one of the most limiting emotion we have. Fear can hold us back from our true potential, trap us in our comfort zone, and prevent us from leaving behind a legacy in the world. Today, I want to encourage you to imagine what you could accomplish if you do not let fear hold you back, and reflect on what kind of legacy you would like to live in the world. Let me start by sharing a personal story about my own experience with fear. I was always terrified of public speaking, to the point where I would avoid any opportunity that would require me to speak in front of the people. But one day, I realized that I was limiting my potential by letting this fear hold me back. I knew that if I wanted to achieve my goals and make a real impact in the world, I had to overcome this fear. So, I took baby steps, such as joining public speaking club, practicing in front of the friends, and gradually pushing myself out of my comfort zone. Eventually, I not only overcame my fear of public speaking, but also discovered a passion for it. Today, I am proud to say that I have given numerous talks and speeches that have inspired and motivated people to pursue their dreams. After hearing this story, hopefully you would able to understand that why we need to overcome self-doubt and fear. I will share 4 key points to overcome this fear of self-doubt. So, the point number 1 is fear can prevent us from achieving our goals. Many times, we are held back by the fear of failure, rejection, or uncertainty. We think that if we don't try, we won't fail, but the reality is that we also won't succeed. A Japanese proverb is, fear is only as deep as the mind allows. So, by letting fear dictate our actions, we miss out on opportunities that can lead us to achieve our dreams and leave behind a legacy in the world. Key point number 2: positive self-talk. So, positive self-talk is a powerful tool to overcome self-doubt and fear. It is essential to talk yourself up rather than bringing yourself down with negative self-talk. Positive self-talk involves recognizing and focusing on your strengths and capabilities by using encouraging words and phrases. It helps in building self-confidence, reducing anxiety, and increasing motivation to take action. It is a way to cheer yourself on and overcome self-doubt by reminding yourself of your past achievements, growth, and potential. With a positive self-talk mindset, you can become more resilient, optimistic, and ready to take on any challenge. Key point number 3: you have a unique purpose and gift to share with the world. We all have a purpose in our life, something that makes us feel fulfilled and gives our life meaning. Whether it's through our career, hobbies, or personal life, we all have something valuable to contribute to the world. By overcoming fear, we can tap into our true potential unlock our talents, and share our gifts with the world. No matter how small or big, we all want to leave a mark on the world. To know what we made a difference in someone's life or contributed to a greater cause. By overcoming fear, we can pursue our passions, follow our purpose, and make a real impact in the world. As Abraham Lincoln says, the best way to predict your future is to create it. So, at the end, I challenge you to imagine that what you could accomplish if you did not let fear hold you back, and reflect on what kind of legacy you would like to live in the world. Remember, fear is just an emotion and it doesn't have to define who we are or what we can accomplish. With courage, determination, and persistence, we can overcome any fear, pursue our dreams, and leave behind a legacy that we can be proud of. Thank you very much.